Hi subscribers and viewers, welcome back to this wonderful channel. Welcome to OWUUBII channel. So in this video I'm going to show you a little trick in Mikrotik router, and this has been worrying a lot of IT engineers with regards to bandwidth management and stuff like this. Now this trick is to show you who or which IP or which host uses the most bandwidth or the most data on your network. Okay, and if you're able to use this tool to know who exactly uses the most bandwidth, then you can now shape your bandwidth according to what you've seen. Alright, so kindly sit back, relax and watch me as I give you details on this particular tool. Thank you. So without wasting time, let's quickly get into our router. My router is already open, right? Okay, so all I'm about to talk about is what a tool called Touch. Okay, and we can locate Touch under our wireless interface. Okay, this is Touch. Okay, this under our wireless interface, but what we are looking for is a Touch that affects the whole interface, Ethernet interface in this router. Okay, so it's under tools. Now we have Touch here, which is under tools. It is very simple tool to use. Okay, so at this point you want to use the interface of which is being used as your LAN or your local area network. In this case, my bridge serves as a local area network, so I need to locate my bridge here. And then here you have the entry time, as in entering time, yeah. And then beneath it you have your source address, your destination address, you have source IP version 6 address, destination IP version 6 address. Go ahead, if you want to highlight the MAC protocol, the protocol it uses, the DSCP, the VLAN ID, the port, okay, and this as well. So if we go ahead and then scan this interface or initiate the start button here, it's going to give us a list of IPs. It's going to give us a list of all this we've selected here. Okay, so let me go ahead and click on the start, and then we are going to see in real time. Okay, so currently this is what is happening. Okay, now we want to know who is using the most bandwidth, through which port, and which destination is the IP getting to. And so quickly stop it here, and then if you descend down here, this is the Ethernet protocol it uses. Okay, this is the protocol it uses, which is mostly UDP ports, of which is the port number is 17, and you have ICMP, TCP. Okay, so these are the protocols which are being used on this list of IPs, or on this interface, bridge on the LAN interface. And so you have IPs like this ones, which is the source addresses, and you have these ones which are the destination addresses. Okay, you have the VLAN ID, which is not listed here, the DSCP, which is listed here with only 7. You have the transmit rate. The transmit rate simply means upload, which this is the highest. Okay, which this is the highest. You have RX, which signifies download, and if we look through, this is the highest download so far. Okay, and then you have the TX packet rate, and then RS packet rate. Okay, and so if you want to know who is using the most bandwidth, who is using your internet the most, just highlight the IP and then you'll be able to know how much bandwidth the person is using for upload and download as well. So this statistics will give you the information you need with regards to who is using the most bandwidth. Okay, and then through this you'll be able to shape your bandwidth management. Okay, so example, if I notice this is the IP which is using most bandwidth, I just, all I need to do is to know which IP is this, right? So come to your IP, server, services and leases, and then here you might be able to know the host. So this is the host, which is RAS. Okay, all you need to do is to just copy the IP address, right? Open your queue, and then from here, destination, just paste the IP here, and then now you can shape your bandwidth from here. The download target and upload target, it can be done here as well. Okay, so let me show you example. So this is the IP. I want to limit the bandwidth to, let's say, 1 meg. Okay, so the target is 1 meg, the best time is 1, the advanced perhaps the same 1 meg. Okay, this is the minimum bandwidth limitation. You apply and okay, and then you have your queue rule here. You can further give it a name, maybe rogue IP. Simple. This is how you can deal with a rogue IP in your system which is using a lot of bandwidth. This is how best you can do it. Okay, let's come back to our touch interface. From here, if you want to see details, show category. If you want to see details, just click here. It gives you detail on the same thing we were just seeing here, but this looks some way. Let's go back to the simplified way. And so this is the simplified way. And so if you notice, this is currently the IP doing more of downloads. Okay, so basically that's it with touch 2 in Mikrotik. Hi viewers and subscribers, thank you very much for watching this video. I understand that you know how to limit bandwidth usage of a rogue IP now. You know how to determine which IP or host machine on your network is using the most bandwidth. Thank you very much for watching again. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like my videos, share my videos, and comment on my videos as well. Thank you very much for watching.